I'm making waffles. Rest in peace. I believe not in the 5-second rule. Remember, kids, always to clean while you cook. It's not worth dealing with later. Hello, everybody, and welcome once again to another one of my videos, The Master of Adversity Doc. And today, I wanted to talk about focus. When it comes to focus for me is that I don't do enough of it. I know for a fact that I need to focus to succeed. However, how many of us actually do it? And today I woke up and I wanted to read. I wanted to focus on my learning because I was challenged to read 3 to 7 books before the next event. So in 90 days, or in this case, since 14 days have already gone by, around roughly 75 days. My big thing was I haven't been reading. With all the other things I've been doing, I haven't been reading, and I wanted to dive into psycho-cybernetics, but at the same time, I hadn't finished the Think and Grow Rich book, I hadn't finished the Now Habit, and I hadn't even finished Danny Johnson's First Steps to Wealth. So then I realized that I had a huge desire to read. And the big thing about that is there's a huge reason why I have to do it, or I want to do it, or I choose to do it. And that's because I want to accept and defeat the challenge. On top of that, I just have this desire to learn right now. But how am I going to fit this into my day? I learned that if I could focus on reading in the morning for 2 hours in between the morning mindset call and the mastermind, and 2 hours before that, between the miracle morning and the morning call, I could get a lot of reading done. And I mean a lot, because I do want to do that. And because I want to read, that will help me wake up in the morning. Sometimes you really got to think about what you're doing and what's not working, and then try to figure out how you can modify it so that it can work for you. And in my case, I found something that I wanted to do, and I'm using it to repurpose my morning so that I can focus on waking up in the morning and be excited to wake up, because I know I'm going to be digging into a lot of great information. That's just my personal breakthrough for today on focus. However, when I got to the mastermind assignment was live for the now. I wanted to repurpose that and say focus on the now. So my big question to you is, what haven't you been focusing on? When you're with your family, are you really focused on spending time with them, or are you distracted? When you're at church, do you have the same problem? The person or your pastor is demanding your attention, and it may be a sign of respect. But don't you think you should show your family that same respect? Don't you think you should show your friends that same respect? Give your girlfriend that same respect? Are you really focusing on doing what it is you're doing at the time instead of trying to multitask? My friend Marcus, as much as I love him, I hate when he gets on the phone and does something else. It's like, we're not necessarily not guilty of it every single time, but every time he gets on, he seems to be multitasking. I said that wrong. Sometimes he'll be listening on the phone, but he won't really be engaged in a conversation. And what that results in is him not remembering certain things that we say, so that when we bring it up, he's surprised and says, nobody told me that. Yeah, again, I'm calling you out on video, Marcus. Find something that matters the most to you. Find a priority and focus on it. Don't do anything else but that thing. I know I have a lot of things that I want to do, like work on the Now Habit and do that as a video series. But now that I'm doing a different video series, I'm not probably going to do that right now. Find something for you to focus on today. And remember, personal growth is a step-by-step process. Fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. Either way, you have to keep moving forward. Martin Luther King Jr. A lot of you guys saw that quote. I saw it. You liked it. Like and subscribe to my videos. And this is video number 2 of the Don't Be a Wussy Challenge. Master of Reversity about to